Okay, let's start. So basically, I paused the video because of I want to be complete the installation my Hadoop 3.2.4. You can see guys properly inside of my download folder. It's already are there. Let me go inside of my download folder. Where is my? See over here I have the download folder. So I install Hadoop 3.2.4 tar file properly. Let's follow to the step which one we stop right now. What happened, which tar folder, Hadoop, Hadoop tar folder, which one I download from to the internet, that I want to be a extract inside of, I want to be a extract that folder inside of C drive, and I want to give to the rename that is called to the Hadoop. Okay, let's do to the step number 9 properly. What I want to do, I have this tar file is there. That tar file I want to be a extract. So right now what I'm doing, I will be copy this file from over here. Okay, I did the copy. Then again I'm going inside of this PC C drive, and over here I will be pasting that particular folder, that zip file. Okay, so zip file is there, means a tar file is there. I will be right click over here and I want to be a extract this one. See over here, so I will be go over here where we have to the option is present most over option, which one is the WinRAR, and I want to be a extract over here. So let me extract over here, say yes. So it is starting to the extraction your Hadoop. Okay, it's take little bit time, wait properly, let's complete to the process. Okay. Patience is important because this is the very lengthy process we have for your Hadoop purpose. Okay, right now you can see my folder is extracted, so I can delete this zip file or the tar file. I don't want anymore. Okay, I deleted that one. Right now I have to the Hadoop. If you can go inside, see we have to the proper folders are available right now. Whatever we have to the Hadoop over here, this I want to be rename. I want to give only as a Hadoop name. Okay, let me remove this stuff and let me hit enter button. You can see the Hadoop properly. So whatever the step are saying that we did that, I extract that folder inside of the C drive and I gave a rename as a Hadoop. Okay, step number 9 is done. Right now I am going inside of your environmental variable. Obviously go to the local variable where I want to be right to the Hadoop. Okay, so before that, one second before that, what we need to do, we need to be go to the location where C drive etc and Hadoop is there. Okay, let me go inside of that properly. I'm going inside of your C. First I came over here in the C drive, then after Hadoop, then again etc, then inside of the Hadoop I went properly. And let's see again back what we are saying, go to this location and edit this file. Okay, edit this file. So Windows, we can use to the which file we need to be edit, we need to be edit this file where we have to the Hadoop hyphen env dot file. Okay, which one is the Windows command purpose we are using. Okay, so let's edit that. We are going inside, we are already reach over here this PC local C, then your Hadoop etc Hadoop, and where we have to the file is present, which one is the Windows command script. See Hadoop hyphen env. Okay, you can check inside of that. We need to be edit the file where we have to the Hadoop hyphen env dot Windows command purpose. Okay, so let me open that file. So you can open this file using by your normal text editor also, or else you can open using by your VS Code also. Okay, so I will be right click over here. If you want to open with the VS Code, you can use to the open with the VS Code also. So I want to go to the more option where I want to be open. Okay, I want to be edit in the notepad, so you can use to your notepad also. So I went in the notepad, let me use to the full screen. Okay, now see over here we need to go to the specifically where we have to the ream the Java implementation to use. Okay, required, we need to go in this position. Let me go over here where we have, let's zoom it little bit. See over here RE, the Java implementation to use dot required. We need to be a change this path. Okay, we need to be a change this path. We need to put over here the Java path properly. Right now what we are doing, we are adding your Hadoop, means we are right now inside of your Hadoop, and inside of the Hadoop we are right now giving path for your Java. Okay, we already set the Java path inside of your environmental variable. Let's do that. So I will be set right now your Java path. See over here, set a Java underscore home, and I will be removing this all stuff, and I will be add over here your environmental variable path. You can see the environmental variable path is what? C Java JDK 1.8. Even you can check that. You can go inside of your environmental variable. Okay, you can go inside of your environmental variable, and you can check that what is the path you gave for your JDK. So this is exactly my JDK path. This JDK path I want to be attached with your Hadoop. Okay, let me do that. Cancel. What is the path? If you know, okay, the path is this one. Okay, I already wrote over here C drive Java and 1.8. Let me paste it over here. When you done that, okay, you can save. Okay, when you done that, you can save. Go over here, file, and save. Okay, right now this is one save. You can right now close. Okay, so 10 step also done. Right now we are going to be 11 step. Go back to the environmental variable and set the path. Okay, right now we need to give to the Hadoop path for your system purpose. Okay, how we can do? Go to the search engine, environmental variable. Okay, again over here environmental variable. Now what we need to be go to the, we need to create over here in your Hadoop home. See Hadoop underscore home. Let's go to the environmental variable. Over here in the user Rohit, we will create your Hadoop one. See, we need to be a type Hadoop underscore home. Everything is capital, and give to the location for your Hadoop. Okay, location is what? We need to give to the location C Hadoop bin. Okay, so you can directly write also, or I want to be suggest you can use to the browse directory. After that in this PC, then again over here we have to the C drive, then again inside of the Hadoop I want to give to the bin path. Okay, just say okay. Right now path is complete, just say okay. Right now you can see Hadoop underscore home also, it's done perfectly. Right now inside of your system variable also we need to add the things in the path section. Just say to the edit over here, I want to add the new path. What is the new path I want to be add? You need to add to the C Hadoop bin and C Hadoop S bin. Okay, let's do that also. I'm clicking on the new section. Let me copy to the over here this one C Hadoop bin. Okay, so I will be added over here this one, and another one I will be add over here S bin. Okay, so this both we need to be a put over here. Let me edit that properly. S bin, this is also the path we have. Okay, just say okay, okay, and over here okay. So your 11 step also done perfectly. Means right now this one also completely. Now after this one is complete, we need to be a do the little bit changes with your code also. What is the code we need to do? See over here. Okay, go back to this location, which is location C drive Hadoop etc. means Hadoop etc. and etc. Okay, so where we need to go? See, I'm already over there, but let me show to the path again back. C drive, then again your Hadoop, then inside of etc. Hadoop, and we need to come to this location, and we need to edit another second file. Which file we need to be edit? Check it over here. Okay, check it over here. We need to edit a file. The name is cover hyphen site dot xml. Okay, let me check that. Where is the file that cover? Okay, cover you can see. Let's see where is that file. See over here, cover hyphen site, you know, this is XML. Right click over here, open with VS Code. Okay, now we will open this file and we can start to the edit. Right now see, inside there is no any configurations are present. Okay, the configuration are not present, so we will be add a something configuration. The code I already added over here. Okay, see over here we need to be add this code. See the configuration code. So let me copy for you. Okay, Control C copy. I will be paste over here the configuration code. Okay, see the configuration I want to be do with the property. I want to be a start my FS DFS FS. Okay, and the location is the hosted this one. Okay, this is important for your Hadoop. Control S save. Okay, then you can close your file. Now this file is done. Second file